Asyncio.gather versus asyncio.wait. Asyncio.gather and asyncio.wait seem to have similar uses. I have a bunch of async things that I want to execute/wait for, not necessarily waiting for one to finish before the next one starts. They use a different syntax, and differ in some details, but it seems very unPythonic to me to have two functions that have such a huge overlap in functionality. What am I missing?
Although similar in general cases, run and get results for many tasks, each function has some specific functionality for other cases. Asyncio.gather returns a future instance, allowing high-level grouping of tasks. All tasks in a group can be cancelled by calling group2.cancel or even all_groups.cancel. See also .gather ... return _exceptions equals true. Asyncio.wait supports waiting to be stopped after the first task is done, or after a specified timeout, allowing lower level precision of operations. Task Group, Python 3.11 Plus. Update, Python 3.11 introduces task groups which can automatically await more than one task without gather or await.
Asyncio.wait is more low-level than asyncio.gather. As the name suggests, asyncio.gather mainly focuses on gathering the results. It waits on a bunch of futures and returns their results in a given order. Asyncio.wait just waits on the futures. And instead of giving you the results directly, it gives done and pending tasks. You have to manually collect the values. Moreover, you could specify to wait for all futures to finish or just the first one with wait.
A very important distinction, which is easy to miss, is the default behavior of these two functions when it comes to exceptions. I'll use this example to simulate a coroutine that will raise exceptions sometimes. Await asyncio.gather chorish outputs. As you can see, the chorish after index 1 never got to execute. Future returned by gather is done at that point, unlike wait and program terminates. But if you could keep the program alive, other coroutines still would have chance to run. But await asyncio.wait chorus continues to execute tasks, even if some of them fail. Future return by wait is not done, unlike gather. Of course, this behavior can be changed for both by using asyncio.gather ... return underscore exceptions equals true, or asyncio.wait ... return underscore when equals asyncio first underscore exception. But it doesn't end here. Notice task exception was never retrieved in the logs above. Asyncio.wait won't re-raise exceptions from the child tasks until you await them individually. The stack trace in the logs are just messages, they cannot be caught. Output. On the other hand, to catch exceptions with asyncio.gather, you must same output as before.
I also noticed that you can provide a group of coroutines in wait by simply specifying the list. Whereas grouping in gather is done by just specifying multiple coroutines.
Isso não pode, sabe? Isso consigo já sabe.